Well, it's flu season and a pandemic is going on. So between those two things, it's a double whammy this time of year. If you're a senior and you're looking for great care, you can find it at Conviva Care Centers. And I got a chance to learn a little bit more about who they are and what they do.
Conviva is a primary care practice. We're known as experts in senior care. We've had 50 years of experience delivering care to seniors. And currently, Conviva Care has the responsibility of 150,000 patients within the 90 clinics that we have.
Now, what would you say separates or differentiates Conviva?
We are, in particular, we're managed and led by physicians. So we make the decisions and set the priorities that the organization has. We allow more time for visits, knowing that the care that seniors need takes time, so our appointments are spaced out, and it allows for a more personalized care, setting individual plans for each patient, as well as using our entire care team approach to make sure that the patient is getting the best care they can.
Absolutely. Now, doctor, can you tell us, are there any particular conditions that people can come and get treated with?
Screening for COPD, because many of our patients have smoked for several decades in their life and they're at risk for this. Peripheral vascular disease, as we age, we're more susceptible to having lower blood flow in our lower extremities, as well as structural heart disease that can lead to heart failure, diabetics who will, if they're not well cared for, can develop neuropathy. And lastly, coronary artery disease, which is the #1 killer of older adults.
And right now, the pandemic has obviously impacted a lot of things. Including, the medical world, education, everything. So how's it impacted you guys?
It's been a challenge. In the early phase, we adopted telemedicine like most other practices and used it to outreach to our patients in their homes. And of course, as time has gone, we are getting our patients back in the office with the use of masks, with all the protocols to prevent any infections to our staff, patients, and anybody else who is visiting our clinics. We also had a program where we, Conviva, actually sent cloth masks to all of our patients so they can reuse them, which was a big help, and they are using them. They're very nice, and patients appreciated them very much.
Finally, do you have any words of wisdom for our viewers?
We're at that time of the year where flu starts to pick up in our area. Please get your flu shots this year. It could be a double whammy, getting COVID and flu, or having one after the other. So this is preventable. Get your flu shots. It's a part of aging well and staying well.
Thank you so much for all this information, doctor. Do you have a place for people to go and learn more information?
Yep, you can go to conviva.com. You'll find us on the website.
You can always find this segment and more on our website at firstcoastliving.net.